Hi everyone, it's Reece from PRAESTANTIA again. In this next tip, we're going to show you how to create a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Enjoy! So hi everyone, today we're going to talk about how to create a meeting in Microsoft Teams, a question I'm often asked. So now we're just going to go through that. So if I click on my calendar, I click on create a new meeting. And then we'll see here we can add a title. So potentially we're going to do a maths class, maths year 10 set 1. We're then going to stick a time in. So if we stick it for the 15th, and let's let the students have a lie-in. So we're going to do it for an hour. And so there's two ways of adding people here. So we can either type their names in individually, which if you've got a class of 30 children is going to take you quite a while, or you can just simply add it to the channel. So you'll see here I've got all my channels that come up that I'm an owner of, so I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to put it in the general channel, so everyone in that general channel is now going to get this appointment. So we click on send, and that will go off and create my meeting or my class. So if I now flick onto a student view, I'll show you what the student will see in their calendar. So if I'm going into my calendar, you'll see that there it's popped up in my calendar, and then I can either join it from the team itself, or I can just double click and join from here, so the student knows when you're doing those live lessons. I hope that helps. Take care. Goodbye.